Hey everyone. Actually, I cleared GATE exam, so which is helpful to get into masters, like to get into IITs. Majorly, it will help you to get a master degree or MTech or PhD, so degrees from IITs and NITs. So I cleared GATE in data science and artificial intelligence, and so after clearing that, I got some rank card, scorecard. Then I applied for a few IITs, and so I got so I applied in for this MS program. So I got a reply from IIT Kanpur, so they given this, they're conducting written test and like programming. So I have to go to IIT Kanpur on May 16th and 17th. So I have to write the exam there. So that is the I mean, that is the context which is given in this mail. So if I perform well there, so then I can get a chance to pursue masters in computer science from IIT Kanpur. So so that is the entire context of this mail. I'm creating this video series because so today is 28th. So I have one to almost 18 days time. I have to so I thought to create as a series so that so it act as a reference for me. So in the future, or it will help me to become the better version of myself in the future in the long run. So because of that, I thought to create this series. And also, if in case someone will ask me any queries related, if they want to pursue like this, so this tutorial series might be helpful for them. So that's why. So this is the context, and so now the challenge is like how I'm going to prepare. So they given certain syllabus and sample question. This is the syllabus. So uh, so all the CSE topics majorly. So, but the best part is like I know few topics I already covered. So, matrices, calculus, statistics, these parts I covered. Discrete mathematics I don't know because this is not a part of data science and artificial intelligence gate syllabus also. So these things I don't know. I have to study. So few topics are not there, and this topic I studied in my BTech time, digital logics, and the remaining CA, computer organization architecture. This part of it I can cover this programming and data structures. I can do this algorithms. I can cover. Um, then after that, this thing compiler is new to me. Operating system I know OS basic, but these concepts are definitely new to me. Theory of computation is completely new to me. So database I know, which I already covered in my GATE preparation on DA for DA data science and artificial intelligence paper. This one is completely. This one I studied in my BTech for certain time. So, but most of the topics are like kind of new to me. This one machine learning and deep learning. Okay, this one is I can do. Programming I can manage. But the best part about this syllabus they mentioned is like conditions, normal things. It won't be much difficulty. Loops won't be much difficulty. Arrays sorting. These things is much better. So compared to other things, this programming test is like not going to be that much difficult level. It's going to be like medium level only max. So this is about the syllabus, and sample question paper is like this. Uh, so majorly they're asking about the probability questions and matrices, and so they're covering most of the topics they covered. So probability is definitely going to be play a crucial role in your success. So you have to study, have to be strong in probability topics. And apart from that, so I had a conversation with one of the professor from IIT Hyderabad. So he suggested, based on this particular syllabus, prepare the GATE previous year questions. So first finish this and then go for other things. He suggested this, and I'll try to finish that as much as I can. And coding is like this is the problem statement they given. So majorly on the list only. Uh, so they're whatever they given in the syllabus, they'll try to give on that topics only. So yeah, and yeah, book my flight to Kanpur. Actually, I tried to book my flight to Kanpur, but due to some challenges, and of course, majorly the price was very high, so that's why I booked to Lucknow. I mean, not only for price perspective, and also I have to stay. It's not a direct flight. I have to stay in either, I mean, in Bombay for 4 hours or 3 hours, 3.5 hours. So instead of that, I decided to go with this thing. So I directly go from Hyderabad to Lucknow, and from that I'll take a bus to Kanpur. That's the plan. This is the price I paid for my ticket, and so let's see what happens. So I know it's a bit complicated, because I have to study, I have to do something. But most of the topics like are a bit new for me, but I know I'll do better in this exam because I feel. So I mean, topics I covered, actually. Few topics are already covered, and I have that guts and I have that courage to take this step. Uh, and also, and I'm super excited to go to Kanpur and give this thing and give this exam. Uh, let's see what happens. So this, I consider this as a day zero of today challenge is like day zero, and then gone through the syllabus and what I have to study, what I have to prepare. This is a strategy I have to make, and then of course I'll start preparing from now. uh, Topics. First, I'll try to cover this discrete mathematics because these topics I don't know, and also this seems to be a bit interesting and easy. Matrices anyway I covered, so mathematics is definitely plays a crucial role. Once I covered that, then I'll pick other things, and also this thing I have to do. So probability I have to maintain every day, like till my exam I have to study every day, and mathematics. I mean, programming I have to cover every day. These topics every day I have to solve at least one or two. I mean, minimum 5 to 10 coding questions based on arrays, major array sorting. These problems I have to solve. So that's the strategy I have to follow. So let's see, and I applied for other IITs also. Definitely, I'm going to get, if I get an admission call letter from IIT Kanpur. Definitely, I'll get admission letter from other IITs also. Let's see what happens. And so I don't have any pressure because I'm already working, so there's nothing to lose. But I'm sure I'm going to get this one. So let's see what happens.